Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is What is Linktree? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, today's topic, what is Linktree? Linktree is a device or a website that allows you to connect more than one website via a single link. That sounds complicated. Let me explain. Here's Instagram. Instagram, you only have one link in your bio. So you may make reference to products, courses, interviews, YouTube links, lots of different things. And I don't use Instagram a lot, but you might make reference to different links for courses, products, interviews, etc. But you've only got one space on Instagram. So on Instagram, TikTok is similar. On Instagram, you could use Linktree. Linktree then, I'll click on this and demonstrate, will take you to a number of different links via that click. So now people can find out how to learn more about SEO, which affiliate marketing course I recommend, how to grow their IRA, and that's a equivalent of a pension account in the US with gold and cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin and receive some Bitcoin for free, how to optimize their YouTube channel using TubeBuddy, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So they can do all of those things via that single link on Instagram. That's what Linktree is. Now, it's not perfect. So you could say, well, you're using green there and you don't use green on your website. And that's true. So if you were to buy the Linktree, and this is not a sponsored post, if you were to buy the LinkedIn premium level, then you can adjust and tweak these blocks so that they look a bit more in keeping with your website colors if you have different website colors. So Linktree is a useful device method of communicating more than one link. And then you have some, just to go back to Linktree, then you have some analytics on how many times each of these blocks have been clicked, and you can think about the ordering of those so that you those that are most valuable to you might be towards the top. So that's what Linktree is. I've used it to extend the number of links that people can view and click on platforms like Instagram, where you're limited. If you're on YouTube, YouTube's not so limited. So if you were to go to the About page on YouTube, and I'm doing that as we speak, you can see that in the links, I've got unlimited links down here. So there I've got a LinkedIn content marketing checklist you can download, links to Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn profiles, Linktree as well for some of those areas that I just mentioned. Africa means business, LinkedIn group. But you don't really need Linktree on YouTube because there's, as I say, there's unlimited scope here to add in links. But it is useful for those more restrictive platforms like Instagram and TikTok. So I hope this has been useful. Just a very short video explaining what Linktree is and how you can use that to extend the number of links, websites that your audience can view within one click. Well, it's actually within 2 clicks, isn't it? But Linktree allows you to promote all of them at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please give me a like. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.